Social media is everywhere. It's on our phones, our laptops, even our TVs. And you know what we see all over social media? People living the dream. Fast cars, luxurious vacations, stacks of cash. It seems like everyone is getting rich online. You scroll through your feed and see influencers effortlessly promoting products, seemingly making millions with a single post. It's tempting, right? The allure of easy money, the promise of escaping the 9-to-5 grind. Who wouldn't want a piece of that pie? But hold on a minute. Before you quit your job and invest in a ring light, let's take a step back and separate the Instagram fantasy from the reality of building $1 million business online. Because while social media can be a powerful tool for making money, it's not as easy as some people make it seem. The truth is, behind every overnight success story on social media, there are countless hours of hard work, strategic planning, and a deep understanding of how to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the internet. So if you're serious about making $1 million online, buckle up. It's going to be a wild ride. Let's get one thing straight. There's no magic formula for making $1 million on social media. Anyone who tells you otherwise is trying to sell you something. The internet is full of get-rich-quick schemes that promise instant wealth with minimal effort. But the truth is, building a successful online business takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. Remember, social media is a business, and just like any other business, it requires a solid strategy, consistent effort, and a deep understanding of your target audience. You can't just post whatever you want, whenever you want, and expect the money to start rolling in. The reality is, most people who achieve significant financial success on social media have been building their platforms for years. They've put in the work to cultivate a loyal following, establish themselves as experts in their niche, and develop multiple streams of income. It's not about luck. It's about hard work, strategy, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. So, you're ready to put in the work? Great, but before you start posting up a storm, you need a plan. Just like any other business, success on social media requires a solid strategy. First things first, who are you trying to reach? You need to identify your target audience. Who are the people most likely to be interested in what you have to offer? Once you know who you're talking to, you can start creating content that resonates with them. And remember, content is king. But it's not just about creating great content. It's about creating a lot of it. Consistency is key on social media. The more you post, the more likely people are to see your content. Aim to post high-quality content regularly, whether it's daily, a few times a week, or even weekly. Find a rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Section 4, cracking the algorithm code. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, algorithms. Love them or hate them, algorithms are the gatekeepers of social media. They decide which content gets seen by whom and when. To succeed on social media, you need to understand how algorithms work and play the game strategically. This means creating content that is engaging, relevant, and optimized for each platform. Pay attention to the type of content that performs well on each platform and tailor your posts accordingly. Experiment with different formats, use relevant hashtags, and engage with your followers in the comments section. The more engagement your content receives, the more likely it is to be shown to a wider audience. Remember, social media platforms are constantly updating their algorithms, so it's an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and staying ahead of the curve. Stay informed about the latest changes and adjust your strategy accordingly. Section 5, finding your tribe, the power of niche. One of the biggest mistakes people make on social media is trying to be everything to everyone. It's tempting to cast a wide net and try to appeal to as many people as possible, but the truth is you'll have much more success if you focus on a specific niche. Think about your passions, your skills, and what you can offer that's unique. What are you genuinely interested in? What are you knowledgeable about? What problems can you solve for others? By focusing on a specific niche, you can tailor your content to a specific audience, establish yourself as an expert in that area, and attract a more engaged following. When you try to appeal to everyone, you end up appealing to no one. Find your tribe, the people who resonate with your message and are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Section 6, monetization, turning followers into dollars. Now let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for. Making money. Once you've built a solid following and established yourself as an authority in your niche, there are countless ways to monetize your social media presence. Here are a few popular options. Sponsored content. Partner with brands to create sponsored posts, stories, or videos that promote their products or services to your audience. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products or services on your platform and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Sell your own products or services. Develop and sell your own digital or physical products such as online courses, ebooks, merchandise, or coaching services directly to your followers. Create and sell online courses. Package your knowledge and expertise into online courses and sell them through platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Podia. Offer consulting or coaching services. Leverage your expertise to offer consulting or coaching services to individuals or businesses looking for guidance in your area of expertise. Membership communities. Create a paid membership community on platforms like Patreon or Memberful, where you offer exclusive content, community access, and other perks to your most loyal followers. Remember, the key to successful monetization on social media is to provide value to your audience. Don't just try to sell them something. Offer them something valuable, whether it's entertainment, education, or a solution to their problems. Section 7. Conclusion, the million-dollar myth. So can you make $1 million from social media? The short answer is yes, it's possible, but the long answer is it's not easy and it's not for the faint of heart. It takes hard work, dedication, a solid strategy, and a whole lot of hustle. Don't fall for the get-rich-quick schemes and overnight success stories. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But if you're passionate about what you do, willing to put in the work, and committed to providing value to your audience, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So go out there, create amazing content, connect with your audience, and never stop hustling. The world of social media is yours for the taking.